Hey guys, it's Michaela, and today I'm going to walk you through how to download offline maps in Google Maps. It's really quick and simple, so let's jump in. I have my Google Maps app already open, and the first thing you want to do is, with your internet on, is search for the place that you want to download those apps. So I'm going to click here and just click on the first one, Random Friendly Animal Hospital. So now that you have your address in there, you swipe up from the bottom to the top so that you can open up the details on this location that you're going to. And at the very top, after it says Friendly Animal Hospital, there's an arrow up. There's a three dots. I want you to click on that. And then the second one down is Download Offline Maps. And you go ahead and click on that. It says that a download may take up to 20 megabytes of your free space. So you just say download. And now it's going through and it's downloading. Downloading is complete. And it says just use your Google Maps as normally. So once your download is complete, then you can turn off your internet, or once you lose internet, you don't have to do anything. You don't have to search for the maps in a certain place. The app knows and already in its systems downloaded your maps and your directions. So you can just type in that address and use your maps as you would normally with internet. If you guys have any questions, let us know.